Spire made some changes to how prices are configured back in version 3.11. One side effect of that is that users could no longer see the multiple prices directly in their inventory list. You do have the Sell Prices tab, but some people prefer the old way with one row per item and the prices side by side. The new way, you see every price ever, and each item can fill multiple, perhaps many rows. Well, the old way is back. And I'll show you how it works. This is Breeze UDF Prices. Selling prices synced with inventory UDF fields. First step is to configure it. I'm going to select my server, my user ID, password. And select my company. Now, this does use Postgres at times, and I'll explain that in a moment. You can use your Spire app password, but I find that too hard to remember. And it's configured. Here is a restore of the default data. And we see, obviously, no custom UDFs. So here is how we're going to do our first full run. Now on demo data, this takes about 30 seconds. I did 45,000 in a customer database, and it took about 22 minutes. You can see this is giving us an ETA. And it's complete. So let's take a look in Spire. And unfortunately, they're not there yet. I'm going to change company. And there they are. And we have our sell prices. The third step would be to create a scheduled task to run that update changed prices every X number of minutes. Now, you can do that in workstation mode, but I'm going to use server mode. There's a few technical differences. Now going to create scheduled tasks. This is the changes only task. We're only open weekdays, so between 9 and 5, it'll run every, well, maybe we don't need 5 minutes, perhaps 10. There's our scheduled task already running, and it's going to run in 1 minute, 5 minutes. The changed prices only task. This looks at the modified date of the prices and only updates or adds new or changed prices since the last sync. If brand new price levels are used, the UDF fields get created for them. Now, if you're using effective dates in pricing, there's another reason these UDF fields need updating. Spire displays the single base price in the list, and it's dynamic based on effective date. This is handled by a single daily full run. It's a scheduled task running after midnight and sets up the effective pricing for the next day. Now the full run uses Postgres, and that's really for performance. That 45,000 inventory database I talked about took hours and hours. The way that the API is structured, you can only make single calls per part number, and there were 45,000 of them. And here's my daily full run. So that's the basics of Breeze UDF prices. Visit spireassists.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel.